Most guitarists either ignore this thing entirely or just use it for dive bombs once and call it a day. There's a whole vocabulary here. I'm going to show you 3 techniques that will actually change how you play. First one is just bar vibrato. Simple concept. You're just oscillating the bar instead of using your fretting hand's finger. Works in single notes. Works on dyads. Works on full chords. Each one gets an added dimension of sound. This is your foundation. Everything builds from here. This next one is all Jeff Beck. With the bar facing towards you, you get this really quick warble quality, almost like the note is full of life. Flip it away from you, you've got the exact same sound, it just looks cooler. You'll see Steve Vai do this all the time amongst his fast legato phrases. Jeff Beck would use this technique all the time, and he would end the note with a slight dip. Once you'll hear it, you'll never forget it. This last one nobody really talks about, and it's the one that separates expressive players from everyone else. It's called the pre-dip. You pick the note, then depress the bar into the next, then release the bar into it. Steve Vai uses this constantly. Instead of arriving at a note clean, you're approaching it from below. It gives every note this vocal-like quality, as if the note is actually singing. Try it leading into any sustained note, you'll hear it immediately. Quick note, everything you just heard, I was monitoring through this, the Synido A20. It's a portable audio interface, 1/4 inch in, headphones out, fits in your pocket. My FM3 handles everything when I'm in the studio, but when I'm away from my desk, just noodling through ideas like these, this is what I reach for. This video was made in collaboration with Synido. Link in the description. Harmonics and whammy bar together are a whole other conversation, and that can be the next one. Want to go deeper? Check the link below for my Patreon. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Cheers.